For embroidery onto a cuffed beanie, I have a B341A here. I'm just going to show you the best way that we have found to embroider onto these types of beanies. Now I have everything I need here, so I have a tubular hoop, a ruler to measure, a tailor's chalk pencil, as well as some snips. Now I'm going to start by measuring where I want my embroidery to go. So I kind of want it to sit right in the centre of the cuff. I'm just going to measure and put a dot right in the centre. And this just means when it's in the machine I can line it up nice and easily. I'm going to use a couple of sheets of backing paper. Now this is a medium backing. So I have 2 sheets here. So I'm just going to turn the beanie inside out, lay the cuff out, place the backing behind where I want the embroidery to go. So you want the dot to kind of sit right in the centre of where the backing papers are. I now have my tubular hoop. I'm going to place the back of the hoop behind the backing paper. Now before I push the front of the hoop on, I'm going to lay down a sheet of tearaway film. Now this is really important when you're working on any kind of fluffy or thicker materials, anything that's got a bit of a pile. This will help the stitches really stand out. It's not going to get lost within the material. So I'll lay a sheet of that down, and now I can place the front of the hoop on, sandwich it all together. I can still see the little mark I've made. Now this can just be popped into my embroidery machine. I'm just going to first lower the needle so I see where the embroidery will go. I want to align the needle where I put the little dot. Once I'm happy with that placement, I can trace it just to make sure it fits comfortably within the hoop. It's not too close to the edge. Once I'm happy with that, make sure the beanie isn't trapped underneath the arm. I can set my embroidery off to go. Alright, my embroidery is finished. I'm very happy with it. I can remove the hoop, pull away the tearaway film, and rip off the backing paper. If there's any loose threads, I can just give those a trim. And there we are.